Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change an email address in Facebook Business Suite. This is particularly useful when you need to update contact information for team members or when transitioning business email accounts. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to the management area for your business presence on Facebook. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, direct your attention to the left navigation menu again. Here, you'll need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. This is the central hub for managing all your business activities across Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be redirected to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is where you can monitor performance, manage content, and adjust various business settings. At the top of the page, you'll see a profile drop-down menu. Click on it, and a business portfolio selection window will appear. From here, look for the gear icon, which represents your business settings. Click on this icon to access the configuration options for your business account. In your business portfolio settings, you'll see several menu options on the left side. Locate and click on the Users option. This section controls all the people who have access to your business account. When you click on Users, a drop-down selection will appear with additional options. From this drop-down, click on People. This will show you a list of all individuals associated with your business account. All comes the part where you actually change the email address. Find and click on the profile of the person whose email you want to update. Once you've selected the profile, look for the three-dot icon, also known as the More Actions button. Click on it, and a small options window will pop up. From these options, select Edit Info. This will open a detail information window where you can modify the user's account details. In this window, you'll see various fields related to the user's profile. Look for the field labeled Business Email. Click on it and enter the new email address you wish to use for this account. After entering the new email, a confirmation field will appear below. This is a security measure to ensure you've typed the email correctly. Type the same email address again in this confirmation field. Double-check that both entries match exactly to avoid any errors. Once you've confirmed the email is correct, click on the Save button to apply the changes. The system will process your request and update the email address associated with that profile. The new email will now be used for all business-related communications and notifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.